Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it's another Coaster Friday. Today we're going to do our last Halloween coaster, and they are going to be bug coasters. Here are the bugs that I found at the party store. These bugs are nice and flat, which is what I liked about them, because then you don't have to use like a ton of resin just to get them covered. So we've got these creepy crawly bugs and then these guys. So we're going to do a coaster with them. These guys are kind of long and they don't bend very well. So I cut this guy in half, and he is going to look like he's kind of crawling in over here. And it's going to look like another one. Let's see, we'll put him over here, and it'll look like another one is crawling out over here. And then we can add a beetle to it. You can do another one where they're coming in from the other direction. Now I'm going to mix 2 ounces of resin just to put the first coat down, and I'll lay these in there. I've mixed my resin, and now I'm going to put about 1 ounce into each cavity here. I'm going to take my lighter, pop the bubbles. Now I'm going to take my pieces of bug and lay them in. I can take my stir stick, move them around until I get them where I want them. And I'm going to add my beetle. And I'll do the same here. And then I'm going to add a beetle again. I'm going to drip a little resin over all of it so that when I run my lighter over it, it's not going to come in direct contact with the rubber or the plastic. Take your lighter, pop the bubbles again, and we'll let this sit 5 or more hours just to let it really get settled. Then we'll put on the next layer, and the reason for that is just so that in case one of them wanted to float, we're not going to have a problem with that. Bugs are in there nice and sturdy. They're not going to go anywhere. I've mixed 2 more ounces of resin. And you want to make sure you have enough to cover where everything will be nice and level. And we're going to take our lighter again, pop the bubbles, come back a couple times to do it again. And then we want to let these cure a minimum of 12 hours before we pull them out of the mold. So these have cured overnight. I can pop them right out of the mold. Now you have these fun bug coasters that are perfect for Halloween or for anyone who's into bugs. There's the front, there's the back, and they will look different up against different color backgrounds, which is always the fun thing about the clear coasters. So be sure to let me know what you think of them down in the comments below. Hope you guys like the bug coasters, and I hope you have a very happy Halloween. A little bit spooky, but a lot of fun. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.